guess what? I am giving away a sewing machine. You guys have heard me talk about my BabyLock machines in all of my videos, sharing all the different features that I love. And as a partner with BabyLock, they are giving away one joy machine to one lucky winner. What I love about this machine, which is part of the Genuine series, is it has all the great quality of every BabyLock, but it's a little more entry-level machine, which is great if you're a beginner sewer or if you're an advanced sewer that wants a machine to travel with and just needs something a little more simplified. I have traveled with this BabyLock. The giveaway lasts all week through June 28th. To enter the giveaway, click on the link in the video description below. It will ask you a couple questions like, what do you love about sewing? You'll need to follow me, Made Everyday, on YouTube and follow BabyLock on Instagram. And there's some of those nitty-gritty rules / details in there also. Check those out too. And I thought I should give away some fabric to 2 lucky winners, fabrics I have designed, because what's more fun than getting fabric in the mail? Well, okay, other than getting a sewing machine. I am rooting for you. Good luck and thank you, BabyLock. Okay, bye.